Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Roblox account meets voice chat requirements. Age verified and email confirmed. Once done, sign in on a PC or mobile, open account settings privacy voice chat, and turn it on. Next, make sure your Ps5 system software is updated and a headset with mic is connected to the controller or DualSense USB port. Finally, sign out and back in on Ps5 to refresh permissions so Roblox can request microphone access. Once the basics are set, go to Ps5 settings sound and select your headset as input and output device. Then in settings users and accounts privacy, confirm apps can use the microphone. Launch Roblox on Ps5 and enter a game that supports voice. When prompted, grant Roblox mic permission. Inside the game, open Roblox settings and adjust voice chat toggle, mic volume, and sensitivity. Make small test exchanges with a friend to fine-tune levels, and avoid clipping or low volume. To finish, join a session or party and speak normally to verify others hear you. If voice still fails, close Roblox, reboot your Ps5, and reopen to reinitialize permissions. Make sure the controller mic isn't muted and headset connections are secure. Swap ports or try USB versus 3.5 mm if available. If problems persist, check your network NAT type. Strict NAT can block voice, so switch to moderate or open via router settings. One key
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.